So you've gotten Chess Game Creator. Let's integrate it into your project. If you don't plan on editing Chess Game Creator, you can skip this step. If not, go into your plugins folder. If you don't have a plugins folder already, create one. Copy CGC v3 from the folder you downloaded it to and paste it in your plugins folder. Once you've copied it, go back to your project's directory. Open your project. You'll see a pop-up asking to rebuild CGC v3. Click yes. Your project should start loading up now. If you've run into issues so far, join the Chess Game Creator Discord for support. Let's enable CGC and set up its project settings. Open the Plugins tab and type in CGC and you should see the plugin. If it's not already enabled, enable it but don't restart yet. If you click the documentation or support link, it will send you to the CGC Discord channel where you can get help. Open the Project Settings tab. Go to the Engine category and click on the Collision option. Click on the New Trace Channel button. Type in CGC UI in all caps for the name and set the default response to ignore. Click the Accept button and that should add a new trace channel for you. In the same Engine category, go to the Input option. If your project does not already have action and axis mappings, click the Import button. Go into the Resources folder of CGC v3. Open the CGC config folder and open the Input backup file. You should now see a drop-down for your action and axis mappings. If you click the drop-downs, you should see the imported inputs. If you already have existing inputs mappings, copy the inputs backup for the plugin into your inputs.ini file for your project. Close out of the project and open it again. If you don't see the plugins folder, click the Settings button to make sure that you have Show Plugin Content enabled. Open the Plugins folder and go to CGC v3 Contents. Open the Maps folder and double-click map_demo map. If everything goes well, you should be compiling shaders in the demo map. There are 3 preset game boards that are already made for you: the base game board, the classical chess board, and McFarlowe's Chess Extra board. Chess Game Creator is now integrated into your project.